keep Mom at home.
Call 844 Bread Store for your free home care planning guide.
But it's nutritious and contains no artificial growth hormones.
True Moo, a truly good thing anytime.